Hello, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna talk about absolutely amazing way to earn money. First of all, I have already earned more than $400 with this site and get paid. So I can ensure about this site. Most essential thing is highest paying rate and available for all over the world. Okay guys. I know what you are thinking right now. Aha. What should I do for earn money on this site? It's pretty simple. Let's move into the video. Okay guys. Have you ever heard about micro jobs? I have dabbled in doing micro jobs years ago, but those sites are not good at all. Now I found this amazing site. I hope you will know about micro jobs. Maybe you don't know. No problems. Okay. But there are many micro jobs site. Micro jobs mean simple jobs like Facebook likes, YouTube likes, comments, subscriptions, simple surveys, sign-ups, tours like that. But there are many micro jobs site. So I'm gonna talk about easiest and most paying site. It's Rapid Worker. Okay guys. I'm in my personal account. Don't worry. I will help you to create your account. It's super straightforward. You can see this is my account dashboard. Okay guys. Here you can see lots of jobs available for me. Also look at pricings. This jobs take just 5-minute max time to complete. But we can get paid more than $1 for simple things. Also look at pricings. That's why this site is better. See my current balance. It's $180.45. I think that's great. Also you can see I have withdrawn $300. So I have totally earned $480.45. As I believe that's great for me. If you look at here you can see I have done 756 jobs and succeed 748 jobs. So I have 98.94% success rate. Okay guys. First of all you need to click this most paying button for see most paying jobs first. Here you can see some search boxes. You can use them for filter jobs as your favor. If you are an USA person you can filter USA jobs. If you want a worldwide jobs you can set it to international. Also you can search by name. For example, if I search YouTube, yeah, you can see all available jobs related to YouTube. That's great. Full guide of completing jobs are available. You can download it from the link in the description. Please read it careful before start working. Let's register. Okay guys. Just type rapidworkers.com in search bar and hit enter. Then you will redirect to this page. Click sign up now and fill your details. That's it. If you are a beginner this is the best way for you as I believe. Let me show you how to complete these tasks. Full guide with examples is available to download for free. Download it using the link in the description. Click any job you want to complete. It will open a new browser tab. Here you can see job description and other details. Please read this description before start a job. Cause you need to follow every steps. If you are not you will not get paid even if you complete. So read this carefully before start any task. Enter all details asked for enter here. This is most important step. Finally submit. You will get paid within 24 hours. Okay guys. Hope you enjoy this video. So if you enjoyed this video don't forget to like, share and comment. If you have any question about this video or if you have any request please let me know in the comments section. Please subscribe us for get more video like this about e-money. See ya next time.